I will show you how to create your memory photo collage in Canva. Let's dive into some Canva tips and tricks. First of all, search for the wood background in the Elements section and choose the one you like, Friends. After that, adjust it on the whiteboard. Yes, exactly like that. Now, go to Elements and search for Border Picture Frame. Click on See All and pick the one you like. Adjust it on our wood background. You can set the picture style to your own liking, just as I'm doing. And now, go to the Elements search section and search for Kids. Choose any picture you want to add. For example, I'm selecting these Elements pictures. I will put this picture in the picture frame, bingo, like that. Now, go to Edit Image and choose a black and white filter you like the most. I'm choosing this one. Yeah, perfect like that. After that, duplicate this element. Then, right-click on the image and go to Layers, click on Send Backward. I'm choosing this kid's picture as an example as well. I will choose the same filter, and then they will look similar. Now, all the elements will be the same, so I can make the design very quickly because it's a simple process. I'm just showing it very quickly, and bingo, like that. Look how simple it is. Now, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file, like this. Here is our design. If you like this design, then subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you, bye-bye.